Fellow Ambazonians, fellow Southern Cameroonians, una come again, una come good for this platform, the No Connie Talk Show. This one a very sharp morning time news I want put on for una for the big news for the same way the commode come for Kumba. Ground Zero dance spoke. Ground Zero have spoken. My country people them. Now on our very own countryman, this Capo Daniel, Sense Pasking, Lukong, Ambazonia, FBI, two-side callers of Asabi, all the title, the self-made PhD holder of Pidgin language, the restorer of Pidgin, Pidgin must be great, or Pidgin shall be great, whatever name una call them. Now my name, I don't accept them all. I don't come again for una today, because I don't be at the rejoice. I don't get plenty video the way una the sensation for me. Until now, one of our mami them for Kumba, he don't call me, he say, Capo Daniel, you don't get the video, we don't go do them. We don't finally go for Mukete. We don't tell them the truth. This one, it come on the hill way. La Republic, they don't launch a big propaganda campaign for distort the whole notion for this our revolution with their working together with Chris Anu. They don't come out for tarnish the reputation for the Ambazonia revolution. Force the people them for Kumba, say they will put them for inside lockdown for 2 weeks. The people that for Kumba, they don't reject them because these people they're not impostor. Then give an opportunity for La Republique du Cameroon, the happy slaves, our own brother, when Edwin Moki, when a journalist for the Cameroon calling, he start for criticize the whole strategy for lockdown and ghost town. My country people, when I know say ghost town, na a peaceful demonstration for the public for get the chance for express themselves in a regime and an occupation for our land where people then be prohibited, then be banned, they don't criminalize our national identity, and for people that will stand for toxic, then want independent or separation, they go kill them. So the only way we will allow our people then for peacefully express this their political will, not through the ghost town when our country Sunday when a very important day. It don't come under increasing attack as they try to destroy the one pillar, solid pillar for this our revolution. Our woman them, our mommy them, our auntie them, our bayam selam them, our store woman them for Kumba, I want for Saloruna talk say amber to amber power a day for una. Maybe we'll go for Kumba straight, we'll go see the video how our woman them for inside Kumba they don't talk the truth for Fon Mukete. Now the video this maybe we'll mash fire.
No, listen very well. Yes, sir. Now don't cry. Yes, sir. We don't accept. So we go open our store. We ask now one question. On Monday, we now open our store. All my
Wata asawana. Wa mami they don't talk they don't broke the pot, that glass ceiling it don't broke. Ground Zero it don't talk. Wa mami then talk say no. They don't lock their store, then punish them, then kill their pikin them, then use infiltrator them for kill our sister Comfort for inside Moyoka. Then talk now say una come now, una don't suffer, una come answer, una want me to open una store. Only one condition. Una want me go open una store. They say yes, una open one store. They say on Monday una go open store. All money talk together. Say wait, no. My country people, my play am again me una here.
On Monday, we now open our store. All my
Ground Zero have spoken. Una ran here clearly. Say the revolution no be a diaspora driven thing. The revolution no be a propaganda driven thing. The revolution no be people that the force people with money or intimidate people that will gun. Because if na so palava for gun, La Republique du Cameroon they get can machine them. With all the presence of La Republique du Cameroon, their forces inside Kumba, with all the intimidation, with the absence, even Ama talk say the absence of the so-called Amber boys them, they ask them, say me the open store on Monday, while mami them all together, then stand as one person, then talk them together, say wait, no, we no one for open one store on Monday because we want send a message for the international community. Say 4 years ago, where then call we say me will rise up for embrace the restoration of our independence and our statehood. We accept them. This is validity. This is proof. Say our people them want nothing but independence. So shame to all the happy slaves like Muki, Edwin way there for inside Yaoundé, and all the so-called enabler them where they should done for Yaoundé for try for manipulate our system for force our people to meet they agree something will be less than what we then deserve them and less than what we they want them and less than what we they fight for. And now the things that we our boys they rise up for pick guns for impose and assert our sovereignty as a sovereign state of the Southern Cameroon. Make I take one back for the interview for the statesman, our churchman, Cardinal Tumi, me too, it can stand, it confirm where the people then want them and the real problem where people they face them for ground zero.
And agree on what that was our aim. And I think I can claim that we have an idea because we sent out a questionnaire, don't forget, and quite about 1,000 people reacted, and we have put our findings together. We have an idea now, that is our group, AGC, of what we can say the Anglophones think. Even though some people think that, well, 1,000 people, about 1,000 is not a big number enough, but we have an idea.
Let's talk about...
So, I agree.
Cardinal Tumi, they don't make their research, make their censor, their polling, interview the so-called Anglophones. Over 1,000 people then take part for that polling. And amongst them, more than 90% of the people then talk say they want independence. That is the problem. We want absolute independence. Now, why they would not stand for fight? So no matter La Republic then try for intimidate, we kill our people, then provoke we, say we behave in the same barbaric manner. We don't deny for behave in the same barbaric manner. All genuine Ambazonian fighters, they represent their population, their community, and they fight for the same. No man they carry out atrocity, except the agent provocateurs and the double agents, the way they don't put them, make them mislead our people, them, that like themselves, they don't confess for video. Say now La Republic themselves, they use their troops, them like Amber Boys, use our boys, them, under Chris Anu and Samuel Ikomesako, for come back and kill our people, them, in the name of Amber Boys.
And that their worries will be tabled to the highest authority and the necessary measures. Intention to frustrate the call, calling on the population of Yoke-Moyoka to be calm and trust the military, and that their worries will be tabled to the highest authority and the necessary measures will be taken.
Even amongst us, the military, it's not impossible that you may encounter the Amber Boys. They may be part of us.
So now that here, no be only say what people they want independence, what boy the way they don't stand up for pick up guns and for defend the communities against Cameroon terrorism. They fight a genuine war without those atrocities them. The atrocity them, La Republic, their enablers and the so-called politically correct journalism. They no one name the character the way they carry out those atrocities, where they promote those kidnapping for ransom, because their aim now for sabotage the effect, for carry out the operation, for assist La Republic, for destroy the aspiration of the people where they don't make and clear they want independent. 99% of them want independent. They force them and open their store. They don't say no voluntarily with their own will. They don't even guarantee their security. When I meet them for Insta Kumba, then talk together, say no, we no one open our store. We'll stand together with the separation movement. We'll stand together with outright independence for the Southern Cameroon territory. Even the atrocity, the way they commit for our territory, they don't talk them again and again. Weakness and credible weakness, they don't come up for talk say now La Republic they carry out the killing them for our territory. When I hear
military has been committing atrocities, killing people in the two Anglophone regions of the country, but we've listened on several occasions the Cameroonian authorities, including the Minister of Territorial Administration, the Minister of Communication, and others, saying and emphasizing that the military is not in those two regions to kill, but to protect the territorial integrity of Cameroon, to protect properties and persons, and so on, and rejecting those accusations. What are the proofs that you have at your disposal to back up what you're saying, the accusations?
When I hear, these are the facts.
I have told you that we of the Aya Foundation are on the field, would you tell me that people dressed in military uniform, who stop us escorting somebody wounded to the hospital and extract that person from the ambulance and kill, need any more proof?
For broad daylight.
Do we need any more proof?
For broad daylight.
Would you say, for instance, that my driver since 1998 was in the hospital at Bingo Annex Mutengene?
Weakness.
And the next person to his bed, I went there. Not that somebody recounted to me. Somebody next to his bed was removed by the military and killed at Likomba.
Una hear? Una hear the atrocity?
What other proof do we need? Those are facts.
Una hear? Those are facts. Now, la Republic du Cameroon, they be responsible for all the atrocity them. There are some excesses definitely somewhere. You can look for inside them like a sun, like a pin inside a sun. But definitely, even the killings, the gruesome killings, are done by the agents of La Republic as counter-revolutionary actions for destroy our revolution. Ladies and gentlemen, Wamami, they don't talk am, Ground Zero, they don't talk am. Would the fight for our independence go up Kanda na a noble cause, na a cause will be worth fighting for till the last man standing, till the last blood for our skin. We must fight for, make sure say, make we reaccept, make we win for our people them. Now, a noble cause, me all our youths then rise up. When I rise up for defend the independence, when I rise up for drive out La Republic du Cameroon from our territory, when I shame the impostors, when I shame the enablers, when I shame all man way they try to suppress this will way where people they don't express them, where they continue for express them, and where they go continue for assert them until we discover, we prove and say the devil is a liar, and we'll get that independence. The independence, it must come, it be inevitable. Plenty of people that don't rise up like the one that for South Africa will fight against apartheid, the one that will rise up for Zimbabwe for fight against the colonization, for fight for their independence against all odds, because they fight for something will be cardinal for human being, when our human dignity we will not do without. We no go compromise. We shall not accept to live in this system where we are treated as slaves, as second-class citizens, as a captured people, where they smite us like rats and dogs, where they no get no right, we no get right for talk. They ban our nationalism. They police our mind. We shall not accept this union in any shape or form. The damage is beyond repair. We must go our separate way. We must assert our independence. We must drive the Kelebes and the Egyptians in our territory and on our street. As they go around, as they fortify themselves, we shall get better. We shall sharpen our arrows. We shall sharpen, file our stones, and we shall head them and head them and head them as much as possible until they leave our land, until our independence is asserted, until our right is given to us by the international community. We want to stand up strong, no shaking. We want to make sure say if we be putting a 100 for inside the ADF for fight for our defense, we want to put 200. We want to double our effort. We produce the effect on the ground. We want to see for on the ground. 90%, more than 99% of the action on answer this week, this month are we, and we'll get more in stock. We'll be more effective. We'll be more accountable. We'll be more. My God, General Iber talks with it. ADF shall lead the way to Buea, and it go happen. It go happen. No shaking, no shaking. I be so happy with Mami them. The Mami will call me today from Kumba. He said, Capo Daniel, nobody hear you, nobody talk anything. You know, even share the answer send me the video them. I don't notice me. I don't notice them. So now joy to my heart. Now our communication department now come and say, Capo, this information is coming. I'm so surprised to get that information. This is groundbreaking. In front of Chief Mukete, our people have testified and they have confessed by power, by force. It shall be established. This is the right time. This is the time of God. Ambazonia have risen to fall no more. God bless you now.